Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company and SEO expert. So today, guys, I'm having a questionnaire on my Facebook profile where people are asking different questions, and I'm creating videos for it. So let me move you to the next question, and the question is from Mr. Summer, and the question is how to run Google Ads for an online Quran Academy. Everything Google says following two errors: compromise site, religious beliefs, and personalized advertising. Please advise on how to avoid these issues. 1, 2, 3 checklist for running ads. Which ads should be set up? Awareness leads visitors. Target countries: USA, Canada. So I have moved it on over here. So this is the question from him. So now the question is number one is the guy is having two issues: compromise site and religious beliefs in personalized advertising. Okay, for the first one, when you are having compromise site issue, I have at least 10 videos on different case studies regarding Google Ads for compromise we solve for clients. Usually it's due to a malware or a virus happening on your website. You may have installed a null theme, or there is an copied content, or someone put a virus, or knowingly or unknowingly, some coding issue, or you have put a virus on your website, which is the reason. Anyway, a fresh scan is required to get it restored. In case if you need our help, the link is in the description in case if you need a compromised help for Google Ads. Now the second question is religious belief in personalized advertising. That is happening is because you are probably uh, doing some targeting more religiously. When I tried running, see on advertisers running on the world, let's say on online Quran teaching, I saw an ad from alim.org, Quran online, read and listen Quran online. This is another sponsored ad as well: online Quran reading, complete Quran Pak. And I also researched on another country, USA, and you can see that the sponsored result is online Quran classes for kids, online Quran teaching in USA. Okay, and I also tried running in UK, and I found this ad for Dawat Islami, online Quran reading. Okay, so in case if you have a website related to online Quran Academy or online Quran, there is no issues from Google to run your ads on. Now you are having issues is because your website has genuinely issues. So get your website restored or get a professional website. In case if you need a professional website, me and my team can help you as well. Now your question on 1, 2, 3 checklist for running Google Ads. I have videos related to how to run Google Ads campaign, where I discussed on quality score has a huge impact. Creating small structure based keywords, like I do recommend you to add 3 to 5 keywords per ad group. Focus on buying intent, but with because you need more visitors, so you may need to look on people who are actually learning, looking to learn. So your keywords have a buying or a purchase content, so you can target those keywords. You can create custom ads for each ad groups with maximum extensions, possibly add a phone number. And you may also need a highly optimized landing page where you can convert your visitor without even scrolling. I believe like this is a scrolling. I believe that maximum information should be displayed without even scrolling down, including your contact form, your CTA, call to action, your authority, and how you do convert. So this is my strategy for running ads. You also need to have a tracking analytics setup. Now your third question is which ads should be set up for awareness, leads, and visitors. Okay, in case if you are directly selling, conversions is a very good. Sales and a search is a very good combination for running online Quran Academy. Sales campaign with search traffic is a very good strategy, in my opinion, for online Quran Academy, with conversion tracking done on the checkout page so that you can track how many people are converting. That can be a very good way. Also keep an eye on your competitors, what your competitors are doing, learn from them. That can be a very good source. On look around on the landing page, look around on their ad copies, look around on what keywords they are targeting, and that can help you a lot in creating an optimized awesome campaign for online Quran Academy. So in case if you need help in getting a professional campaign done, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to get started with me and my team. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.